Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to escape the loop in Miside. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. In Miside, the loop is a segment where players find themselves traversing the same corridor repeatedly, with subtle changes occurring in each iteration. To navigate and ultimately escape this loop, follow these steps. Observe environmental changes. As you progress through each loop, pay close attention to alterations in the environment. These changes often provide clues or new interactions essential for advancement. Interact with new elements. With each loop, new items or interactive elements may appear. Engage with these to trigger events or obtain items necessary for progression. Solve emerging puzzles. Some loops introduce puzzles that must be solved to proceed. These can range from simple tasks to more complex challenges. Collect the Player 4 cartridge. After navigating through several loops and completing a rapid succession fighting sequence, you'll return to the corridor. Look to your left for a white tabletop with a flower vase. The Player 4 cartridge will be located to its left. Continue progressing. Persist through the loops, utilizing the items and information gathered to unlock new paths or interactions. By following these steps, you can easily escape the loop. And that's it, you are done.